In news from Afghanistan, survivors of an earthquake which killed more than 1,000 people and left thousands homeless in Afghanistan were seen salvaging belongings and trying to rebuild their lives days after the devastating incident. At least 2,000 injured and 10,000 homes were destroyed in the 6.1 magnitude earthquake last Wednesday.
Days after a massive earthquake toppled homes and killed more than 1,000 people in eastern Afghanistan, survivors were busy salvaging belongings and trying to rebuild their homes and lives. Survivors said they were trying to cope, but there was almost no aid and no help coming their way. Meena Gul from Kalizal, a village in the hardest hit district of Barmal, said, "We have no home and neither have we received tents so far."
اوس مونږ د ایله ده دلته مونږ د کور ویجاړ شوی دی ماشومان دي زنانه دي مونږ کور نه لرو خیمې نه لرو نوره نه تر اوسه پورې مونږ ته خیمې رسېدلې دي ماشومان دي زنانه دي هلته بهر په ټټونو کې ژوند کوي نه تشنابونه شته نه نور څه شته چې مونږ پکې پنډ شو د اوسېدو ځای مو نشته.
The 6.1 magnitude quake that struck the east of the country early last Wednesday destroyed or damaged 10,000 homes and injured about 2,000 people, straining the country's fragile health system and posing a major test for the ruling Taliban administration.
موږ د نړیوالو نه بانګونو نه دا غوښتنه لرو چې موږ ته دلته سکول جوړ کړو مدرسه جوړه کړو او شفاخانه جوړه کړو موږ دا ته ډېره اړتیا لرو
The authorities in Afghanistan have called on international governments to roll bank sanctions and lift a freeze on central bank assets following the earthquake. Thousands affected by a deadly earthquake in eastern Afghanistan are in need of clean water and food and are at risk of disease, an Afghan health ministry official said on Sunday, days after a UN agency warned of cholera outbreak in the region.